Well, this is my second attempt at recording this because last round I kind of had my phone set to HD, not 4K. Either way, happy 2025. Just about riding season here. As you can see, most of the trails are probably like that right now, so I've been sticking to road riding, well, I got the Chai 81 volt, woke up the KO F spec, and the Pro kind of woke up the Pro a bit too much, and she went pop. So, in the meantime, I ordered one of the Alibaba KO knockoffs. See if that survives. I did ask for the upgrade on the MOSFET tubes to handle 81 volt because that's what I'm running instead of 72. At 72, that thing was supposed to be putting 17 kilowatts. At 81, I'm imagining it somewhere around 19, which is perfectly in spec for this Chai touring. At least it wasn't in the middle of main riding season when I blew her up, but I had my fun. I was able to do rolling burnouts with that wide bugger from 30, 40 kilometers an hour. Just give a lean forward and crack that throttle and whee! She breaks loose on demand or stands up. Me, with all the weight changes and balancing changes I've made on this bike over the years, I've still only just get to where I start finding the happy zone for doing wheelies and such, and then I make changes and change the weight, the balance, and gotta relearn it. Either way, feels pretty good. I was just getting to where I was really feeling comfortable with the bike when it was starting to, when I cooked that controller. I did pop it open, take some photos of the inside, and yeah, she's pretty scorched. I did her in well. But figured I'd at least give some kind of update. No, I ain't dead. No, the project isn't abandoned. She's just about at the prime of her life. I just need that controller swapped. No. Yes, I can do whatever I want with this because she ain't hooked up right now. But yeah, get that on there. I'm doing the Alibaba for now because it's the quickest I could source for a fair price for something that I'm just going to replace very soon anyways. I'm waiting on that Axon controller. Keep hearing a couple weeks. Yeah, it's a couple weeks till release date. Then who knows how long to get it shipped up here if it doesn't sell out instantly and if I catch that first wave or not. So just for security of being able to ride, that's why I got that Alibaba thing. As long as it works, I'm happy. But this thing is one hell of a monster. Either way, everyone else, since you haven't blown up your bikes, have fun. Enjoy the season. Might be a good one.